We're inside the tower. That's the city water, which is also called the makeup water. That's the one that enters into the boilers over there. Right there. And as it enters the rooms, it goes from this pipe. It tees off to the left into the rooms. It tees off straight ahead, and it goes outside this tower. Right there. So now when we turn off the water in the building, all we need to do is just turn off from the cold water supply, which is that as well. Okay, that is the chiller and boiler water. Chiller and heater boiler water, and it exits out of there. And then
We have the valve of the return right here. Right here too. Right here we have the valve for the return. We can press on through and the return. That's it.
and we have the pump